Today we're gonna make traditional Chinese food with most common grocery ingredients. This dish name is garlic lettuce. Let's see what we need. We're gonna use 2 romaine lettuce, garlic sauce, soy sauce, minced garlic, and cornstarch. Let's get started. First, let's boil some water for the lettuce. While the water is boiling, let's cut the lettuce into finger length. Now let's go ahead and make the sauce. We need 3 tablespoons of the soy sauce here, and some garlic salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit water to it. And let's mix it. Now that the water is boiling, let's put the lettuce in it. The lettuce doesn't have to be well cooked because it's really easy to be done. So we just make it soft and we can take it out. Now let's take those lettuce out and remember to drain the water and put it in the plate. Let's put this aside and let's make the sauce. Turn the fire to high. Let's heat up the pan first. We need to add a little bit oil. After the oil is heated, let's put some minced garlic in it. Let it cook until you can smell the garlic. Let's put the sauce in it. Stir it before you put it in it because some of the cornstarch will be at the bottom. Let's turn the fire to small. Let's stir it a little bit until the sauce is clear. Now let's pour the sauce over the vegetables.
If you're a garlic lover, you're really gonna love this dish.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for cooking with us. I hope you like this garlic lettuce, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.